how to compress with the fruity compressor. So we have this vocal.
All I wanted, all I need.
Also, I have the fruity limiter here just so you can see what's going on. Notice how the vocal is uneven. It's louder here, quieter here, really quiet here, it's louder here. So what you can do is compress the signal to get it to be more consistent. So after you link your sound to the mixer with Control L and add the fruity compressor, let's take a look at the meter.
All I wanted, all I need.
So the vocal is hanging out between -3 and -12 dB. So the threshold is when you want the compressor to start working. So let's say I want it to start working at -12 dB. Close enough. Now the ratio is how much the signal is going to get compressed. So if I move this to 3:1, for every 3 dB above -12, that is going to get compressed to 1 dB. So if it's 9 dB over, it's going to get compressed to 3 dB. So here's the vocal without compression.
All I wanted, all I need.
And here's the vocal with compression.
All I wanted, all I need.
See how the volume went down a little bit? Nothing crazy, right? Now we have the attack. So the attack is how fast the compressor starts working. If the attack is at 0, that means the instant the compressor picks up any sound, it's compressing it down. Take a look.
All I wanted, all I need.
All right, see how it's compressed even more? So if we have our attack at roughly 30 milliseconds, that means it's going to take 30 milliseconds before the compressor is fully compressing the signal. With the release, that's how long the compressor is going to take to back off after the signal is under the threshold, so -12 dB. Now for an extreme example, watch what happens when I turn the ratio all the way up.
All I wanted, all I need.
So with an extremely high ratio, this is also known as a brick wall, but it's taking anything over -12 dB, crushing it down to 1 dB. Now looking at our volume, remember how it was -12 to -3 dB before?
All I wanted, all I need.
Now it's around -9. Let's say we wanted to boost it to -6. We would take the gain and boost it 3 dB to go from -9 to -6.
All I wanted, all I need.
And the type literally changes the type of compression.
All I wanted, all I need.
So with compression, you can crush the dynamics and then expand the sound so it can overall be louder, or you can just slice the peaks just so it's quieter and more balanced. Hope that helped. Follow me for more tips.